evening, everyone, and welcome to our first potentially annual Sounds of the Stadium Marching Band concert. I want to see how this goes this year. Thank you very much. As we get situated, we have a lot of exciting music in store for you this evening, and we certainly hope that you enjoy it. We're going to start with some of our pre-game music.
The movie Drumline, marching beats proudly present Shout It Out. on this field in 2004. This selection hit the charts in 1979 by a group called the Romantics. No, I hadn't heard of them either. We continue to salute our senior class with What I Like About You. Close this halftime show with what has become a coveted tradition at homecoming and senior night in our towns. In the fashion of the Ohio State University's Script, Ohio, the BBHHS Marching Bees are proud to present the incomparable Script Bees. Thought it would be appropriate at this time to truly recreate the electricity of a high school football game by sharing with you some of our favorite stand tunes. These truly are sounds of the stadium. We hope you enjoy Doctor Who, Let's Go Bees, and our unofficial fight song, Long Train Running. At this time, we thought you'd enjoy a front row seat to the fourth quarter. This tradition, loved by our student section of the games, features our drum line, flag line, and two sousaphone players. Get on the edge of your seat as you witness firsthand the dangers of tuba suicide. recall a very special performance at our stadium on September 22nd. Marching Bees decided it was time to reflect upon the greatness of a nation, the United States of America. In a time when our country is under heavy scrutiny on a world stage, when campaign ads are hitting nastier and nastier, it does the heart well to remember what it's all about, freedom and each other. As we look back over the past 5 years since September 11th, we must remember how we have grown as a nation. The word hero has taken on new meaning, one that includes armed forces veterans, police officers, firefighters, and others who surround us as we go about our daily lives. Heroes that remind us of what it means to be an American. We opened the show by paying special tribute to veterans and currently enlisted members of the armed forces. If you yourself or a family member is a veteran or currently enlisted in the armed forces, we invite you to stand and be recognized as your service song is performed. Tonight we proudly recognize and salute America's finest. September 11th is a day we will carry all our lives. As we remember, we recall a nation's grief that cannot be spoken, but more importantly, a nation's unity that went unmatched. As we carried each other downstairs to the burning building, we became one class. As the soot and ash rained down, we became one color. As we lit candles of waiting and hope, we became one generation. As the firefighters and police officers fought their way through the inferno, we became one gender. As we whispered or shouted words of encouragement, we spoke one language. As we gave blood in lines a mile long, we became one body. As we mourned together the great loss, we became one family. As we retell with pride of the sacrifice of heroes, we became one people. As we reflect, let us remember how we, the people, joined together and shouted with one voice, we stand with united resolve to protect life, liberty, and freedom. We close our salute to American heroes, recognizing the tremendous contribution of retired and current members of the Brecksville and Broadview Heights Fire Departments and Police Departments. We remember that it takes our unity to create the American idea, the American way of life.
Thanks again, everybody. How about one more round of applause for these fine people? This doesn't happen by itself, and there are a plethora of people to thank. And I don't like to stratify my thanks, but I do want to thank all of the young men and women here on the gym floor, and the members of the band, and the drumline members of the flag line, everybody, for their work that they put in this season. I'll tell you, I have the greatest respect for you, and the amount of time and hours that you put in. Among these fine students here, we have some leaders that we couldn't do this without, and I wanted to take this time to express my thanks and allow us all, students and audience alike, to express our thanks for all the work that you put in this season. I'd like to now introduce the student leaders. I'm going to ask them to stand, and I'm going to ask that you hold your applause until the last leader is standing. Let's begin with our band president, Nate Hedrick, vice president, Becky Ziegler, secretary, Mike Everett, treasurer, Carrie Dosen, publicity chair, Shannon Thompson. In our flute section, we have section leader, Leanna Meyer, squad leader, Katie Gannon, squad leader, Renee Lewis, squad leader, Krista Thomas, and squad leader, Ashley Zacharias. In our clarinet section, section leader, Sarah Keller, squad leaders, Carrie Dosen, Kate Nolan, Ashley Pace, Monica Stolzer, and Shannon Thompson. In our alto sax section, section leader Stigla Bolapupi, squad leaders Renee Domzalski, Shyla Graham, and Nick Travaglianti. Our tenor sax section leader, Mr. Mike McCurdy. Our mellophone section, section leader Dan Duncan, squad leaders Colleen Bagley, who's not able to join us this evening, and Johnny Zambunas. In our trumpet section, section leader Pat Ernst, squad leaders Dave Bernard, Nate Hedrick, Colin Calvis, Tim Neary, Kyler Nelson, and Becky Ziegler. In our fine trombone section, section leader June Park, squad leader Hannah D'Agostino, who's unable to be with us this evening, Nate Pytel, and Matt Smurfina. Our euphonium section leader, Mr. Chris Paleo. In our tuba section, section leader Jason Karikas, and squad leader Caitlin Newberg. In our percussion section, drum captain Doug Hine, snare leaders Kevin Fink and Rachel Mazzola, tenor leader Andrew Beshara, quints Doug Hine, cymbals Brooke Barnhart, bass drum Jason Wessel, and front ensemble Laura Smoots. Our flag line captains are Miss Deanna Turcott and Miss Ellen Covey. And our drum majors this year are Amy Boscovich and Rachel Seary. How about a round of applause for all of them? Okay. We wouldn't get anywhere without our loading crew, and they don't like to be recognized, but that's too bad. Loading crew, stand up please. Mike McCurdy, Dan Duncan, Mark Harding, June Park, Pat Ernst, Smurf, and Jim Eater give us a wave. I want to thank them for the movement and shake. All right. Last and certainly not least, we are blessed with 46 seniors in the marching band this year. I'd like to recognize them We'll recognize them officially at the banquet and give them their awards, because we still get 3 more quarters together. At least I'm looking forward to it. Our seniors for 2007. Please hold your applause to the end. Dave Bernard, Amy Boscovich, Dan Breckenridge, Chrissy Castellucci, able to be with us tonight. Hannah D'Agostino, the same. Brian Ding, Kate DeJure, Renee Dobzalski, Carrie Dozen, Dan Duncan, Grace Durda, Brian Ebley, Robert Ebley, Pat Ernst, Mike Everett, Kevin Fink, Roddy Gerardo, Mark Harding, Nate Hedrick, Doug Hine, Colin Calvis, Adam Cars, Jason Karikas, Sarah Keller, Ellen Coffey, Kelly Liu, John Leonard, Mike McCurdy, Rachel Mazzola, Leanna Meyer, Tim Neri, Kyler Nelson, Kate Nolan, Ashley Pace, June Park, Jeff Schlecke, Matt Smersina, Laura Smuts, Jesse Somos, Monica Stalzer, Krista Thomas, Shannon Thompson, Nick Treviglianti, Molly Vitale, who's unable to be with us, Jason Wessel, and Becky Ziegler. Thank you more than you know. And on with the show.
Get down. I'm okay yet.
Our final show this evening has quickly become popular in demand in our area. Who knew the 80s would be so embraced? You'd think between the big hair, vibrant, mismatched colors, and what you people call fashion. Sorry, Mr. Allen. It was to be quickly forgotten. Anyhow, tonight we remember how much we love the 80s by bringing you the decade's greatest hits. We open our show with Paul Simon's classic hit, first heard in 1986. I can call you Betty, and Betty, when you call me, you can call me Al. Continue tonight with a classic by the group Wham. This one lit up the charts in 1984, and left us all asking, who's Wham? Feel free to tap your toes and sing along to Wake Me Up Before You Go Go. Everybody's moving in our next number. As a matter of fact, folks are lining up outside just to get down. This hit by the B-52s in 1989 set the stage for the 90s. Sit back, shimmy a little, and enjoy the sounds of Love Shack.
Not as tall as he is. Before we play our last number for you this evening, I'd like to extend a few more very important thank yous as we get set for the Thriller. Again, it takes a district like this to come together to pull a band like this together. And I have sincere thanks for everyone involved. Members of the school board, Mr. Scheifler, Mr. Blasco, Mrs. Neff, Mr. Dosen, and Mr. Siebert. If you're in the house, would you please stand? Dr. Geringer, Mr. Robinson at the central office, and our high school administration, Mr. Welch, Mrs. Welch, Mr. Rings, and Mr. Gates. If you're in the audience, would you please stand? Yeah, Mrs. Welch. I saw Joni Deutsch out there. We couldn't do it without Joni Deutsch, Gail Wasniewski, Kathy Gonter in the main office. They just keep us afloat. How about a hand for them, please? Our fantastic athletic director, Mr. Kalinsky, and Mrs. McGreevy keeps us alive and keeps us organized, especially in the fall. Our custodial staff, Dave Mullen, Jan Grillis, and Scott Dupan, we couldn't function without them. How about a round of applause for those folks, please? A group that never gets enough thank yous, and I see one out there right there is Mary. If you're a driver for the district, if you're a driver for the district, would you please stand? Is it just Mary? Mary, stand and take your oh, couldn't get anywhere. And this next one applies to just about everybody in here. All of you for being here are band boosters, and we would not function without this very supportive group. They're involved in every aspect of the program, marching in concerts, from the uniforms that you see to the uniforms that we're wishing for. The citrus sale, the athletic programs, we have a booth at Jacobs Field. You may not know about some of these things. All the chaperoning that's involved, the beautiful spirit board that's out of the cafeteria right now, all the band snacks we feed every band that we meet. Sounds funny, but it's true. The handling of equipment, our nurse, both nurses are band boosters, selling of tickets, much more. We could not do it without the support of the parents, the support of this booster club. Our next meeting is November 7th. Everyone is invited, and we're going to be talking about the uniforms. The new uniform drive will have our representative from the company we're going through there. So if you're interested in being a part of this or learning more about the uniform drive, please come next, after you vote, come to the Band Boosters meeting at 7 o'clock. How about a hand for all of the Band Boosters? I know I'm talking a lot, and that's why I said most of the concert, but there are a lot of thank yous, and I don't want to skip over them. I know Dave's family is here, Dave Keene. They're going to stop coming if I keep pointing them out. But Keane's up there, Chris, and Dave's nephew, David. Thank you so much for supporting. The music staff, from when these guys started to where they are now, Mary Ferguson, Rachel Burkholder, Mrs. O'Neill, Ms. Marsh, Mrs. Sturman. I know Mrs. Scheikler is here. Would you please stand, Mrs. Scheikler? Blessed with incredible colleagues. Chuck's been running around down here. Mr. Valley, he's always here. He's always here. So close to so much wonderful people, the people here, the people sitting there, and he was at the rehearsal dinner of my wedding, for goodness sake. just the way that it works out. I'm blessed with so many wonderful colleagues. The ones that I've worked the closest with this fall with the marching band, Gabby Westgate, formerly known as Gabby Maria. Here is she. Please stand up, Gabby. Mr. Brady Sark with our drum line here. Please stand up, Mr. Sark. Mr. Paciola. And the latest addition, he is no longer the new Mrs. Scheikler, sorry Debbie. He is officially Mr. Jason Wise. I'd like to make you all stand, but parents and grandparents and aunts and uncles of everybody sitting down here, you're the reason that they're doing this, and I cannot thank you enough. Hey guys. You're too close. Everybody hold your instruments up. Everybody hold your instruments up. Do you want to see $1 million? Here is $1 million. Between the instruments, between the lessons, between the gas money, getting them to and from, everything that you put into this child's band experience, the uniforms, everything here is parent funded. And I completely appreciate, well, there are some school instruments that are more funded too, I want to make sure, but the parent support is outstanding. So I've never seen $1 million. I see it every day. I've done the math. So thank you, all of you. This is from me to you.
And no one person deserves more thanks. And on behalf of the entire band, we'd like to thank Mr. Mallon. He does more work